Hey guys, iMAT here. Today we are unboxing a product that I've been waiting for ages to arrive, as a lot of you have been asking about it, the H26 Ultra Plus. So here's the box, let's go ahead and unbox it. We have a new packaging compared to the H16 Ultra Plus. So you get two additional boxes inside. Here we have the smartwatch and the watch band box. Let's get the straps out. So I have got the black ocean straps here. Let's open this box now. Inside it we have the smartwatch. Let's take off the plastic wrap. Then we have a protector on it. If we check out what's here, then here we have a USB-A wireless charger and an user manual to get you started with the smartwatch. First of all, you will have to tap and hold the side key to turn on the smartwatch. So we get the rear boot screen, and here is the first look on the smartwatch. So let's try out the straps. The ocean straps are looking quite good in quality. So I've heard a click, and the straps grip is also good. Here is this part, and here you can see that the straps fitting is really good, and they won't come out until you press this button and then push the straps out. So here's the first closer look on the body. The body is looking extremely good. This is something that AHK can never match. The body quality of the Hello Watches have been great every time. Obviously in the full review we'll be doing the accessories test. So here's a quick look at all of the built-in watch faces. And if you haven't watched my H26 Pro Plus review yet, then the features are quite similar. You will get the always on display option for all of the watch faces. I'm gonna be testing this model too for a day. After that I'll be sharing my full review on iMAT gadgets. Here's the first look on the menu. Finally, a smoother Hello Watch. It has the new H26 UI. If we go to the sport modes, here you can see that we have the new UI. Then here is the call application. Again, we have new interface here. Overall, the icons are looking really good. I'm noticing some additional applications in the H26 Ultra Plus compared to the H26 Pro Plus, like the maps option. Then we have the DeepSeek and some other applications. We'll be testing all of these features in the full review. So this was the first look on the new H26 Ultra Plus. The full review is coming on the main channel iMAT Gadgets, hopefully in this week. So make sure you are subscribed there. Also make sure to hit the subscribe button on Unbox with iMAT 2 for the future unboxing videos like this. I will see you in the full review on the main channel.